Alright guys, Tommy here. We're back looking for some mushrooms. Been out here for a little while today. I found this tree, and if you look how the bark's peeling off, that's a sign that it's been infected by some sort of mushroom. And if you can see that paint looking stuff there, and I don't know how well they come on the camera, but there's some ear jellies up there. They're way too high for me to get, but they're up there. So I was hunting this deadfall right here, and I found these really cool mushrooms. I don't know if they are saddlebacks or pheasant backs. They look similar, only they're all white. They're dry. I think they are past due, like I said, saddlebacks. But they're pretty cool. And we'll run around here a little bit, take you with us. Always be hunting the deadfalls. Any down trees you see. A lot of times they're down because they're infected by mushrooms. So even if you don't see them, it doesn't mean they're not there. So I see this dead stuff over here. I'm gonna come take a look. See how it's got some paint looking stuff here? Tells me some sort of mushrooms probably infected that guy. A lot of deadfall in here. Not finding no good jelly ears or turkey tail yet, but you never know. Definitely see some evidence of some mushrooms on this tree back in here. So let's get a closer look here. You can see there the paint again. There's some evidence of something. Some old one. Maybe that's just bark. I can't really tell. Let's go hunt this way. A lot of deadfall in here. I also like to look in the air, any kind of branches that are hanging that are deadfall. For some reason, mushrooms like the fruit on those. So let's see if I can get you guys an example here. So for instance, that tree there, it's in the air. It's a broken branch. All the bark's gone. That means that some sort of mushroom probably ate it. I know for sure elm mushrooms, if the bark is bare, if the tree is bare of bark, then it will no longer fruit elms. Other mushrooms are different. So other mushrooms might still sprout on this tree right here, even though it's bare, but it probably won't be elms. But there's some evidence for sure that this is a mushroom tree. See if we can find any back in here from where it fell. Sorry, it's so shaky. Well, there's where it fell from. I don't see any mushrooms though. So we'll take a look back in here. A lot of fun to get out here. I see a really cool tree covered in moss back here. Go get a closer look at that. Hopefully I can find a good mushroom specimen for you guys. Here's the creek. Seen a quail fly up out of here earlier. In Iowa, we been doing these set along areas, leave alone areas for the bird population here, and it's really paying off. A lot of quail, a lot of pheasant out here lately, which I'm happy to see. Isn't that tree gorgeous? It'd be prettier if we had some mushrooms on it, huh? Evidence of a woodpecker up there. Here we go. Found some big crazy mushrooms there on the other side. Now let's go across. Looks kind of skinny right there. Let's see if we can get a better spot over here. All right, we're getting crazy with it, you guys. Oh, look at that. I got something dead right there. You can see its fur. Thought it was some weird plant at first. Weird. All right, we're going across. Hope we don't get wet. We're hunting down these crazy cool mushrooms on the other side. Okay, having an adventure now. We're across. All right, look at these guys. Real gnarly, real cool. We just came across there. I made it. So we got any more floating around here? There's a big ones on the other side here. As you can see, man, you never know what you'll find out here. A lot of fun sightseeing. Big gnarly old mushrooms. Here's probably the grandpa of all of them on this guy. He's a beast. But well, maybe next time I'll find something for the dinner table for y'all. Today looks like that's all it'll be. I thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.